Contagious yawning affects 60 to 70% of people and is linked to empathy. Mirror neurons in your brain fire when you see someone yawn, triggering your own yawn. People with higher empathy scores yawn more contagiously. Psychopaths and people with autism show reduced contagious yawning. Dogs catch yawns from humans, the only animal that does. Even reading about yawning triggers it. It's an evolutionary social bonding mechanism that synchronizes group behavior and alertness. Dogs catch human yawns. Follow for brain facts.